Tesstudio Model Y 17.3-inch ceiling TV Wi-Fi version. Open the trunk and fold down the rear seats. Remove the interior trim strips and panels. Continue removing the trim strips near the left rear door. Detach the trunk interior trim panel close to the door. Connect the power cable to the cigarette lighter located on the trim panel. Thread the other end of the power cable through the hole in the panel. Extend the cable to the left rear door and hide it within the door frame. Reinstall the interior trim panel. Use a tool to pry open the ceiling interior panel. Pull the TV's power cable through the ceiling panel to the exterior of the vehicle. Mount the TV on the ceiling. Note that there are 4 clips on the edges of the TV. Insert these clips into the gap between the ceiling panel and the sunroof glass. Connect the power cable to the TV and hide the cable within the door frame. Reinstall the trim strips. Attach the sunshade to the sunroof, ensuring you distinguish between the front, back, and correct orientation. Install the clips in the 4 positions as shown in the diagram. Hook the clips onto the edges of the sunshade, then insert the clips into the gap between the ceiling interior panel and the sunroof. The installation method is the same for both the front and rear sunshades. Once all components are securely installed, your ceiling TV setup is complete.